Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change currency in Weverse shop. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here, Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options like home, shop, DM and more. What you have to do is tap on the shop option. Now you'll be led to the Weverse shop. You'll be able to find various products that you can shop. Right now the currency is USD. So if you want to change the currency, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options like order history, returns and exchanges, shipping addresses, etc. Over here you'll be able to find the option for currency, so simply tap on it. You can see over here right now USD, that is US dollar, is selected. You'll be able to find other currencies as well. The currency options are limited. You'll only be able to find the 5 options, so simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here the currency has been changed. Now if you look into the products, the price will be displayed in the currency that you selected right now. So like this, you'll be able to change the currency. So that is how you change currency in Weverse shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.